They say, you know the saying, a dog is a man's best friend. And in this case, one man went above and beyond to save his best friend, even risking his own life. Here's this morning's Hero Central Heartthreads.
This man suffering from frostbite put his life on the line to save his beloved dog from being left alone.
And I left against medical advice to save my dog.
Jay Mitchell recently lost his wife to cancer and his home and was living in his truck with his dog, Hero. When church members got Jay and Hero a hotel room, Jay learned his feet were frostbitten. Doctors said Jay's situation was life-threatening, but all he could think about was Hero alone in that hotel room.
And they've told me, if you leave, you could die. But so could my dog, and he's like a friend to me. And with my wife passing, he's all I have left.
Jay left the hospital and found a place for Hero a few days later. Back in the hospital and awaiting amputation of part of his feet, Jay got a surprise visitor.
Hi, Hero. Hi, buddy. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Oh, my God.
A GoFundMe is helping raise money for Jay and Hero, and Jay says amputation doesn't scare him anymore.
But he's been my hero for a long time.
The love of a dog, it's just so unconditional, isn't it? Hero Central Heartthreads shares daily uplifting human interest stories about people across the country. To watch more, search Heartthreads on Facebook or go to YouTube.
Hero Central is brought to you by Montlick & Associates.
What can you expect when you call Montlick after an accident?
Attorneys who genuinely care about you and your family.
Who take the time to understand what you've just been through.
Attorneys who know Georgia personal injury law, who will evaluate your situation and explain all your options.
At Montlick & Associates, we've recovered over $1 billion for our clients. If you've been hurt, call 1-800-LAW-NEED right now. The case evaluation is free, and you pay no fee unless you win.